You don't need a cookie cutter to make a perfect needle felted heart. You don't need a template. You don't need any extra shaping tools. What you need is just a simple structure from the very beginning. In this video, I'll show you how to create a perfect balanced heart in freehand using a simple shaping rhythm. Now let's make it. If you notice the instructions on the screen, that is talking about my 3-part rhythm that gives you the perfect heart every time. If your heart is looking too flat or misshapen, it will definitely help you. I'm going to go over this process at least 3 times throughout the video, so rest assured that you won't miss a thing. Over time, I've refined what I call the P.E.T rhythm: pat, even, turn. It's a simple shaping rhythm that creates a firm, balanced heart consistently without cookie cutters or extra tools. First, pack the wool, that means gently rolling and compressing it to build an even, stable core. I build density gradually from the beginning instead of waiting until the end. Second, check for evenness. Make sure both sides feel similar in density before shaping it. Third, turn it frequently. Rotation prevents flat spots and keeps the form symmetrical. Repeat steps 2 and 3. Just keep turning and shaping the heart and making sure that they feel even, turning it often and shaping it as you go. Congratulations! You're on the final heart. This is the fourth and final heart of the project. And here I am actually needle felting as I'm rolling. So I'm rolling a little bit and then needle felting it to make it extra firm and strong. And so I'm rolling either side towards the center and needle felting along the way. So just continue to repeat the process of the P.E.T rhythm, pack, even, and turn, turning it often into making sure that, all sides are even. Please let me know if this process has helped you. Let me know if that three-part rhythm is helpful for you to remember. Yay, you did it! You created 4 perfect hearts. Now we're at the exciting stage of adding a pop of color for the letters. I chose white, but you can choose whatever color you wish to create contrast and to show the letters. When you slow down and build the structure first, form becomes steady and predictable. That's the rhythm I come back to again and again. Pack, even, turn. I'm so glad you spent this time creating with me. If this was helpful, there's another project waiting for you here. See you soon.